Okay, today I'm going to go ahead and do up a radio. It's a Galaxy 959. Can't really tell. Those knobs are purple, not blue. It looks really good on my Facebook page. If you go to my Facebook page, you can actually see what it looks like. It's also done up in laser pure green. Also did up the switches in pure green. This radio's got a Roger fart on the back installed. And it's got the Roger beep. Turn the Roger beep off. Still got the Roger fart. So it's kind of going to go over some features. You got your volume and your squelch, your mic gain, your RF gain, your dimmer control, variable power. It's got your turbo echo board up here, clarifier knob right there. Other than that, if you need to see any other features, let's go back to my other Galaxy 959s I've done. I installed a switch on the back right here. Flip the switch up. It actually eliminates it. Turn it on, turns on the fart. So we're going to take it up to the watt meters, check the watt meters out. It's channel 20. I'm sorry, 20 watt scale. We'll go ahead and turn the variable power all the way down.
Hello, audio. Hello, check.
It's all down.
Hello, check.
Added some echo. Take out the 200 watt scale. Again, we're on the peak side. 1 is 10, 2 is 20, 3 is 30, 4 is 40, 5 is 50.
Hello, audio. Hello, check. 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. Hello.
See, it's hitting every bit of 50 watts. 205. Playing around a little bit. Turn up the dead key.
Hello, check.
Oh, I wonder why that's a little off. Anyways, it's right on the money. Wanting to act a little goofy on me today. Anyways.
Hello, check.
Go ahead and turn that off. We'll take it to 19, get some Roger checks here.
Breaker 19 for radio check. Alright, Roger, Barefoot 959, how we sounding out there today, Break?
That sounds good, 188, waving it.
Roger, buddy, I appreciate it. Good deal. Yeah, that's all I hear, man. You're sounding real good on my receipts, 10-4.
Yeah, all my barefoot, though. Yeah, I think both.
Roger, yeah, I'm barefoot. Got 9 pounds on you? Sounds good.
Check in the mail.
10-4, burnout, waving a hand.
Right back.
My little donkey fart sound good?
Sounds okay with me.
Good deal.
You said that's a 959. Want to take it for 9.
Yeah, it's a Galaxy 959, driver. Got dual MOSFETs, turbo echo board, got purple nitro knobs on it. Pure green displays with pure green switches.
Yeah, I tell you what, you got dual MOSFET vinyls with it, ain't barefoot, it ain't stopped.
Yeah, dual MOSFET vinyls. Slings up, it's only going well over 50 watts.
Well, they ain't barefoot then, is it?
Yeah. If it wasn't, it'd be hammering down into my amplifier, laying it down about 1,000 watts, 10-4. Barefoot means something that's all included inside the radio, man. Ain't no boots on the line today, 10-4.
Hey, Roadstar.
Yeah, what's going on, California?
Hey, I like that registered trademark there on the end of your transmissions. That's a good, everybody know who that is.
Hey, you like that? This is done up for a guy called Little Joe out there in Arkansas. That's his radio, this is.
Roger. Yeah, maybe you want to add that to yours. I know it kind of sounds good. Of course, everybody knows it's you anyway. What do you tee up?
10-4. Does it sound alright though? It really sound like a donkey fart?
Oh yeah, it sounds real good on this end.
10-4, good deal.
I like it.
Roger. I can build another one, Roger.
10-4. Well, I'll tell you, if I like it, it must be good.
10-4, good deal. They sound alright on your way?
Yes, sir. Loud and proud.
Good deal.
Copy on you at Arby's.
Alright guys, that was the 959 done up. Like I said, lights are hard to see. Can't even make it go purple. Anyways, check out the video. 73s, we'll catch you later.
I'll be back on the side for a while.
Again, this is for Little Joe out in